Hello everyone, this is speckyfoodie. Today's menu will be lemon chicken. You can never go wrong with this simple and tasty dish. Perfect as a side dish for your whole family. Let's go cooking! Here's the ingredients you will need. Let's prepare the ingredients. Remove any fats from the chicken and cut them into small bite sizes. Add in all the marinade ingredients and let it sit for 30 minutes. And that's all for the preparation, and the cooking begins. Add in 2 to 3 cups of oil in a pot and turn heat to medium. Once the oil is hot, coat the chicken with flour and cornstarch and add them into the pot slowly. Do not overcrowd the pot. Once they are almost brown, remove them and cook the other veggies if needed. Turn heat to high and pour in all the chickens for a second fry. This is to ensure that your chicken is really crispy. After around 30 seconds, remove the chickens and put them on the kitchen towels to drain off the oil. Heat up a pan at a low heat and add in all the ingredients for the sauce. Add in cornstarch solutions slowly until the consistency you want. Once the sauce is thickened, turn off the heat and add in the chickens. Coat all the chickens in sauce and serve immediately. Very simple and easy to make. If you want to know more about simple side dish recipes, you can see our next video, which will be coming right up. Finally, let's eat! Thank you very much for watching our video. Do click on like if you like the video. Let us know what food you'd like to see in the comment section below. See ya in the next video. Cheers!